Okay, Nifty Thrifty Girl featuring a Singer 99K. This is, of course, the classic black straight stitch Singer. It is 3/4 size. It is in excellent cosmetic condition. The deck is very shiny and smooth. There's no crazing, crackling, peeling, or flaking on the surface. The decals are in excellent condition as well, all over. And the machine is in excellent working condition. The cords are very nice. No dry rot, no cracking or anything. They are newer. It does come with a small accessory box that includes bobbins, needles, a zipper foot, and a hammer foot. It is a standard low shank machine that is a class 66 machine, which means that it is a horizontal drop-in bobbin on the side, just like a 66 would be. And it is tabletop ready, or I do have the cabinet available as of right now, also on my seller list, the cabinet that is specifically sized for this machine. And as I said, it is a 3/4 size machine, so it will not fit in a standard case. Straight stitch only with forward and reverse capabilities. Uses 15 by 1 needles, standard low shank feet and attachments, and class 66 bobbins. Everything is standard. Can be purchased Walmart, Joann's, or anywhere, or online, of course. It's a nice little machine that makes a nice stitch. And it is delivered, serviced, and ready to go. And that is the Singer 99K 3/4 size.